We're starting to fill the pool.
Yay!
Why don't y'all talk about what we did this morning so everybody gets an idea.
We put these up and these little things, and that's all we did this morning.
Then we put poles
And we flattened out the bottom.
Yeah.
How did we flatten out the bottom? How
We
get the
sucked an air vent. Yeah, we have an air pump.
We have a pipe right there.
And then it'll suck it all up.
Yep.
And then we took 2 hoses and now we're filling the pool.
Yep.
And it's getting pretty deep, probably like 1 inch or something. And you know what? It's getting warmer now that our bodies are getting used to it. And look, right here, almost my whole foot's covered.
Yep.
So
All right.
Go to the deep end. Go to the deep end. Go to the shallow end. There's no water in the shallow end.
Peace.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!